All right, we just pulled into the car show. Rick, we could have rode the scooters, but
Yeah, we could have.
no, we had to sit in traffic instead. So we're gonna head to the concourse now. So we were at the Lemons concourse before the main concourse. Now we walked in. Matt, what's the Lemons mean for this show?
Lemons is like the odd ducks.
Odd ducks?
Oh, Sydney's car is here from Vermont. Nice one.
Starting early this morning.
Yeah, nice one.
Not really. It's 11:30.
You're right. But you know what? Last night, well, technically, it hasn't even been 9 hours, really.
Hey, you know what they say. It's
All right, Matt, hang on. We sat in traffic for a little while. We finally got here. We're in the Lemons concourse.
Yep, we're in the Lemons.
Tell us about it.
Well,
Tell us about it.
We were sitting in traffic like a bunch of lemons.
Well, Rick, why were we sitting in traffic?
Because my son doesn't listen to me.
I know. And we had scooters
You
too.
gotta show off the cars, though,
Yeah.
You know, you gotta show them off. But we're here, we're at the Amelia Concourse, and this is the lemon section. It's basically what they do is you get all the weirdest cars you can think of and put them in, and you basically shine them.
Nice.
And look at this one. I don't even know what it is, but it's cool. Take
I like
that
it.
on the
To
rally.
make people feel comfortable around here, I put a pillow in here. I did.
The camera doesn't show it, Rick. You can't see. It's fine.
Profile.
No, let's check and see. You got a pillow in the butt. It's fine.
There we go. It's a pillow. That's that guy with my pillow.
Now, what do we got? Nice wide body on the front. What do you think, Matt?
Luxury details. I think they're out of Massachusetts, actually. I know they follow me on Instagram.
We got to go over. We got to check out.
This is what, the 190 or something?
Got the RX-7, Supra.
This is mint.
Nice.
I wouldn't really consider this a lemon.
No, I don't think this would be a lemon. Super nice. We're starting to warm up to the nicer stuff.
Got Supra too.
See what we got over here. It's got the fatties on it. This thing's super clean though. Super clean.
Gonna get you. You can talk about the engine. You'll know what's in it.
So you got the old 2JZ, nice and clean, running single turbo. Super clean engine base setup on this car. Loving the open valve cover. See your cam gears on it. Car's sick. All right, so we just made it into the main area, the main concourse here.
Skip past the whole line.
Yeah, skip past the line. That's it. And we're in here. Some of the cars are all covered. It was just raining here. Some of them are open. But we're gonna go walk around, see what we got here, and then we're gonna go to what, a private party RM, like kind of like a party, but an auction, right?
Yeah, nice little auction. Sotheby's.
Would you take any of these home?
I'd look pretty sick rolling down that with a cig in the mouth, right?
That's right.
What I'd like to celebrate here is, everyone has a story about some of these cars. I had a Chrysler.
They got their shirts on, ready to rock in this
My
thing.
buddies piled in a VW bug and we went to a...
Got the new Z06. Two of them. Nope, regular C8, and then you got the Z06 over here.
From that era. In fact, we had a pristine Pinto win, which is crazy. So it's...
It's a new GT3 RS. This car is mean. Love it.
So we got all the different knobs here: compression, rebound, traction control, drive mode. So you can really customize it to the driver's driving styles and capabilities. A lot of improvements on this new 992 3RS.
Look at the active arrow on the wing. Check that out.
Wait, Rods knows the guy who was running the car.
Does he?
Maybe he can give us a full tour.
See the active arrow on there? Gotta have the sports seats. So we have the Dakar 911. Matt, what's this thing?
What's that?
What car is this?
That's the Monza SP2.
SP2.
So that's a two-seater. No roof, no windshield, nothing.
What's the one-seater?
The one seat, that's SP1. So the difference with that, or where the second seat is, the body paneling just goes straight over.
Go straight back, yeah. I like that. I like when like this is facing.
Yeah,
you.
it's contoured towards the driver.
Yeah, like the passenger, they don't need anything over there. They're good. They just need to sit tight.
All driver focus.
Well done, Gene.
800 horsepower on this thing too.
Is it really?
Yeah. Now what do we have here? Ford GT.
It's Ford GT1, but I don't know if this is off of the old style or the new style.
I mean, either way, it's pretty sweet looking.
Yeah, look at that carbon pattern. Zigzagging. Oh, the seats are just carbon seats. This is full-on race car. Lightweight. Simplicity.
Simplicity. We need some race cars, man. Let's buy race cars.
Behind the seat.
What do we got?
The Valkyrie.
Valkyrie?
I think. Aston Martin. Look at all the pooling in the wing there.
It's almost like it has the F1 style, like the way it's curved. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
This thing's crazy
Slicks.
looking. Yeah, this thing's
Try
insane.
getting out of here with those in the wet grass.
It's not happening. I mean, look at the front, even like in there, just the body lines on this thing are crazy.
There's like gills in it, you know?
You have to really get like the attention to detail when you look at everything.
Seriously, you miss it if you don't. Look at all of the frame.
I want to say they were talking the street version of this car is 3.7 million. What do you think?
Street version of it?
Street version, 3.7. We have the old Bugatti over here. Love the front end of it. Love the headlights, retro. And then obviously you see where they got the original tunneling from. That's a lot bigger now in the new cars.
2 hours later.
All right, so we just finished the Concourse and we're heading over to the Sotheby's auction now. We got access to that, so we're heading over there now. Sotheby's auction. Matt, what do you got? You got a little pass action there? Guest pass for Sotheby's? A little guest pass? Sotheby's?
Spend a bag.
Go spend?
Bid the shit out of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bid up.
We're gonna bid up.
People spend more.
Spend more. We're gonna bid. You ready to bid?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
You look legit. You look legit. I like it. I like the, you know what I mean? So Matt, we're in the Sotheby's auction. Maybe we'll bid on some stuff. We'll see. And I'll see how Rick's feeling today.
Yeah, 599.
A nice little display here. Got the Pagani. Got the F40. Got the Ferrari row. All in Ferrari red. Loving it.
Honda R.
And then we're gonna head into there. We got the Bugatti chilling over there. Oh yeah, Zonda. What do we got over here? Love the Ford GT, man. We got the Chiron over here. You notice on that other one, so like if you look at the front of this car, like I'll show you something. Look at the front of this car. It's got the big vent in the front, but if you look at the old one that we just saw before, it's got like the mini vents. And then obviously you see where they got the original tunneling from. They actually like just got a bigger one in the front of it. Got Jeff Gordon's car here, NASCAR up for auction.
2 million 5. At 2 million, 2 million 5. 2 million 1. 2 million 2. 2 million 200,000. 2 million 2 million 400,000.
Viper. My personal favorite, the
2
Countach.
million 3. 2 million 400,000. 2 million 4. 2 million 5. 2 million 4. 2 million 5. Very limited production at 2 million 4. Accompanied by owner's manuals.
All right, guys, so the Sotheby's auction, you saw a little bit of that. Cars going for millions of dollars there. We're heading out of there, going to grab some quick lunch, so some downtime, and then we are heading over to the bridge for a hangar party. So it's basically like jets and cars. We're going to have some vendors set up there, some cars set up. So we'll be back then. So we'll catch up with you guys then. Pulling up to the hangar event.
Good stuff.
Heading in.
Oh, there you go.
Matt, where are we at?
So this is a private airport in Amelia Island, Fernandina Beach Airport. We're at the Hangar event. This thing's put on by the same people that do the bridge, I believe.
Gotcha.
You guys want to
This
hang?
is a nice little private
hang out?
event, right here on the runway, where they kind of do jets and cars.
Yeah, it's a good thing they brought our jet over there.
Right?
Have it waiting so we can fly out tomorrow. You know, Kev? That's it. think, Rick? We gotta do it.
I think we gotta do it.
Seat behind it is 2 in a row.
2 doors?
No, 2 single seats.
Really?
1 and then 1.
Oh yeah,
That's crazy.
that's sick.
That's wild. What even is it?
Twin turbo
I was
V8.
assuming it was printed.
Oh yeah.
When I saw the.
I mean, stuff like this. Like this isn't printed. That's just a hardware
Yeah.
bit. That's not printed, but effectively everything else is. Also, things you can't see, like our bumpers printed, suspension components are printed. Obviously, this was cool at Halloween. We had those on my desk. I had those on my arms for like costume. That was awesome. But
It's like, it almost looks like
oh yeah. Well, that's funny because the software used to generate the structures, it draws from nature. So we put in like, I want to achieve X, Y, and Z from the part. It just starts to grow. From the bottom.
That's
It looks
about
like
where I like
tendons
drawing.
and muscles and like plants. So it actually draws from nature. And we have again patents on all this, patents on the machines, patents on the software, patents on the aluminum powder.
make parts for
Exactly.
Which is so interesting, right? So like they're a company that makes parts that also makes their own parts.
So Aston Martin went public just before Pebble last year. Aston announced they're using our parts on their cars. And there's also some very well-known Italians and Germans. The weight. So
Show
I
me,
mean,
show
my
me,
little
guys.
bit of weight is not going to affect. You have to do 5,600 pounds. It won't.
All downforce.
You see, it has to do that to handle the forces. So
Love the door.
all these aero bits are that strong.
That
You can
strong
stand
on
on
it,
The
yeah.
rear wing, you can like bounce it like this. It won't go anywhere.
What about top
You love
speed?
your job.
more. They need another
Yeah.
car first.
And we need a functioning lifting system. This is the prototype doesn't have the functioning lift yet. So this is right now.
Yeah, swing the leg in there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we're doing hydraulic. Yeah, I was like, everybody's always like, wait, this is electric? I'm like, no, it's a hybrid.
What do you think, Matt?
This is an
Oh, and also move your seat up a little bit. I'm going to show you that you can fit a dude who's 6'2" in the car with you. So watch out. I'm going to hop in really quick.
All right.
Boom. And you can come back again. I mean, if
You guys look good in there together.
we fit. That's the important thing. You fit.
You fit?
Are you good with the pedals and stuff? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. He's good.
So will Matt's gonna order his with a ski rack?
Yeah. Yeah.
A Yakima?
Yeah.
Is he gonna have a Yakima up here?
It's like body matched pod.
And it'll never be this clean ever again in its life.
You should get a little trailer for the back. You get like a little trailer. A little U-Haul. But I mean, you see, 6'2",
This
headroom,
shield is
and look, little carbon fiber sun visor.
so
Just for fun.
wild. Like I feel like I'm in a fishbowl.
Dude, it's a
So cool.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
It's like a fighter jet.
In a fighter jet.
No, it's so cool. Honestly, guys, it's such a cool car. And then, yeah.
Come on, Matt. What's the problem? Get out.
Okay, do it. Cheers. This is the long tail. So about 7 inches longer than this car. And you have your speed wheel covers, carbon fiber, so these are removable, which is sick. And then also you have a luggage area in this one. It's so sick. It looks kind of like, you saw the Jag XJ220
Yeah,
rolled in?
yeah.
It gives me that vibe. I like the XJ220 kind of vibe.
Yeah.
And again, these come off, it's so sexy. But you see, no fixed aero, so really slippery. It's so good. And then this is the car that's here.
That's crazy.
But it's incredible. Like the same base price, you can choose which one you want.
This is basically the caliper and the rotor setup, the whole hub setup, basically all built into one.
But like, why all this like extra?
So, right now, if you look on the car, it's a Brembo setup. So you have a separate caliper, separate. So the 21C is an amazing project. We are entering production as we
Oh, look at those feet! Look at those feet! Selling those online.
I like a lot of innovative technology. I was like waiting to see all these
Nice one.
the inside. Guys, check out the inside. This car is sick.
All the knobs and shit.
All the control panels. You have your heads-up display here. This car is insane. And I'm about 1,000 horsepower, so 3 doors that go up. And then getting out of here is gonna be a whole nother. We have the jet just hanging out over here. Maybe take us home later, we'll see. That depends on Rick.
Sideways?
Yep, like that. Charlie horse. Charlie horse.
I got one right here, dude, getting out. I got one right here.
It's so bad. It hurts so bad.
You gotta be in shape to get in these
I was
cars.
gonna say, we're gonna have to work out if we're gonna buy one.
Matt, here's the good news. Rick could technically take us home in this tonight, but instead
He's gonna take us home on
he's
that.
taking us home on this right here. This is what Rick's doing. He's gonna take us home.
It'll be a little more fun.
A little more fun. I mean, he's just gonna take us home on this. There's nothing we can do.
We can pop up 3 on
Yeah, we can get 3 on there. I think so.
the nuts.
Yeah, butts to nuts. Loving this Countach. This color on this, insane. The red with the white interior. Got the matching wheels on it.
Oh, and then Dakota.
We went.
I got a couple videos for you, Bryce.
Did you film horizontal?
Horizontal. Yeah, did you hear that super leaf? Oh my god.
Got the Rimac over here. Is it the future of cars all electric? No, I don't think so.
Yo, Felipe.
Got all the Paganis over here. Closing them up, head out.
Yeah, I'm like breaking out in time. Plus, Glickenhaus.
Is it clicking?
Yeah. So that's Matt's car. Here. Somebody brought it down. Yo, look at the green rolls.
I'm just saying, I don't like wincing on people.
All right, that's it. So we are leaving the airport from the hangar party. What do you think, Matt?
I think this was a great success.
I think so. I think everything went well.
It was pretty cool. Oh, we're gonna start up right here. Nice and smoky. But yeah, no, the hangar event was pretty cool. Got to see a lot of cool cars, meet a lot of new people, and also surprisingly ran into a lot of people we knew.
Yeah.
Got to reunite with some people I haven't seen in a long time. So
People that live right near us that would come down here.
Last minute add to the agenda.
Yeah, because this wasn't even a plan, and we ended up doing it. So that's it. So hangar party, we're out from the Amelia Island Airport, and I think it's time for some dinner. Let's go find Rick before he leaves me here.
The next day.
All right, guys, that's it. We are packing up, heading to the airport to head back up to Cole, Connecticut. It's been real. The Amelia Island Concourse was awesome. Cool events that we did. But it's time to head back to the shop and see what's going on up there.